LED lights can get kind of complicated. The lights without remote control only have 2-wire cables. The ones that are RGB with remote have 4-wire cables. And this one, the kit with RGB-W, has 5-wire cables. The RGB-W, or red, green, blue, white, has the advantage of having a solid white choice and using CCT, or correlated color temperature, so that all bulbs change color in sync. The simple RGB does not have CCT, so the RGB only kit often does not display all LED bulbs. For example, only 2 of the 6 lights work for red, but with RGB-W, all the lights are on for any color. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Tuya app to connect your RGB light kit to Wi-Fi. This connection will allow a million permutations, but I'm a geezer now. I'm not going to really show you the whole million. We'll get you started though. From the Apple or Google store, download the Tuya Smart application. We're good to sign up as a guest for demonstration purposes, but we suggest you create a personal account now on your phone. Click Sign Up and select your country code. Then enter the email address you want to use to log in and press Get Verification Code. You'll receive an email containing your verification code. Enter that code and create a personal password and press Completed. Once you're signed up and inside the app, click the +- sign on the top right corner of the screen and select Add Device. You will then be asked to connect to your existing Wi-Fi. If your device does not automatically connect via Wi-Fi Bluetooth, you will need to unscrew the lid of the control box and double tap the Match Set button. Once successful, the run light will turn solid blue. You can then put the lid back on your control box. Here's a note. If your device does not automatically connect via Wi-Fi Bluetooth, you will need to open up the control panel box and make sure the solid light is colored blue. If it's not, hold the Match Set button for 20 seconds and repeat if necessary until you get the color blue. Once on blue, double tap the Match Set button. The small light on the run will flash purple and the LEDs will also flash. Now retry to pair with your phone on the Tuya app. Once successfully connected, the run light will turn a solid blue. The white included with this light kit is a warm white. On the Tuya control screen, you will see a half wheel as well as a slider to control brightness level. Both of these have the same function. If you finger mouse the yellow side of the wheel, it stays bright. And finger mousing the bluer side will decrease the brightness. The color panel on the Tuya control interface controls static RGB-W lights. Red, green, blue, white. Static means just one solid color at once. Tap the color wheel to get the color of your choice. Then use the sliders at the bottom to adjust the brightness and saturation. Now we're going to move to scenes and sequences. To either flash or fade between colors, or to create your own custom color sequence, you will need to go to Scene on the Tuya control interface. Here you can select any of the 8 included scenes and program them to the colors and sequence you prefer. For example, select a scene named Gorgeous and hit Edit on the top right. You will see the basic colors it flashes through. Here you can change the colors, add new colors, as well as change the flash mode and speed. Keep in mind, while adjusting the speed and flash modes, the LEDs will not show all of your sequence changes until you select Submit. You can move through gorgeous, dazzling, colorful, soft, night, read, working, and leisure. If a scene freezes, always return to gorgeous to restart. Static is one solid color. Flash will have the colors automatically changing between them. Breathe will fade between the colors, creating gradient-like shades to appear in between each selected color. You can adjust the speed by finger mousing with the slider under Color Flash Speed. You will not see the changes until clicking Submit. Okay, now we're going to show you how to use timers and schedules. On the bottom of the control interface, you will notice a left and right option for timer and schedule, as well as a middle on-off power button. On the left of the power button is timer. Here is where you can select how long you want your lights to be on each day. On the right of the middle power button is schedule. Here you can add multiple schedules that you'll be able to disable and enable easily within the app. Clicking Add Schedule, you can select a specific time of day or night you'd like your LEDs to come on. This works in sync with the timer option, so that you can set the lights to turn on at a specific time, as well as how long the lights will run for. Under the time you select, you'll see Repeat, Note, Notification, and an on-off toggle button. Repeat is where you will set the days you want to schedule your color or sequence. You can choose as many days of the week as you want. Just make sure to check mark the days you want to schedule for, then go back hitting the left arrow button on your top left. Under Note, you can add a description to make it easy if you have multiple schedules. If you click Notification, it will send your smartphone a notification every time your scheduled LEDs turned on or off. Make sure you have enabled notifications on your smartphone for Tuya, or this will not work. Do not forget to click Save in the right top corner to add each schedule. Now we're going to discuss music capability. The music panel of your lights allow your phone to listen to any detectable music for your lights to dance along to. So ensure your music source is close enough for your phone's microphone to detect. For this feature to work, the Tuya app will need to be allowed access to your phone's microphone. If it is not, you can change this feature in your phone settings. I know it's been a lot to go through. We hope the video helps. Thank you for checking out fountaintechpumps.com.